Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. KSCP stock have not talked about Knightscope in a while, mainly because we're trading in a range, still stuck in this range, and I want to show you something very interesting because something interesting just happened with Mara stock. Mara stock here, what happened? You see the let me hide all this. Let me remove the lines here. Let's get rid of the MACD, and boom. What do you see, guys? Do you see what I see? Look at this chart here on Mara. It was going sideways, and then eventually big breakout happened. Boom, a nice surge to 1750. Right now it's having a little bit of a pullback, but then it's going to look to break out and go to 20. So we're in the green on that. I stand to make like 20K on that, as if it goes to 20 at least minimum. So the point I'm trying to make is we got the big breakout, huge surge came in. KSCP, I'm loaded like I think 1,000 shares, I believe. I don't know, I'd have to check, but I'm seeing the exact same setup, right? It's going sideways. There's people who think this is a head and shoulders, but those shorts are idiots, and I'm going to prove to you why they're idiots. Look at this. This is an ascending triangle, the same exact pattern, the exact same look that Mara has. What do you think is going to happen here? You just saw it with Mara. What's going to happen is we're going to break out and we're going to surge here at least to $7, and then from there we go to 8 and then 10. So 7, 8, 10 are your next targets. But I'm already loaded up at around 6 and under because I've been accumulating while it was stuck in this range, because the people who are shorting this, the idiots who short, they don't know any better. They don't understand how the market works. They think they know, but they don't. And I'm about to show you why. And you're gonna be like, wow, that makes sense. You're gonna look at me and go, that makes sense. I'm gonna join your Discord because you sound smart. Let me show you why shorts are wrong here. The reason shorts are getting squeezed on Mara stock is the same reason KSCP is about to squeeze these dumb shorts. Here's the reason. Number one, we're in a bull market. I know stocks haven't been, surging like crazy, but we're in a bull market. The bear market already happened. That already happened at the beginning of the year. If you've been around this year, you know at the beginning of the year, it was kind of ugly, right? We had like 4 months of downside. That's over. We already had our bear market this year. What does that mean? That means we're in a bull market right now. Now, a bull market does not mean that we have green month after green month, that we just keep going green every day. No. In a bull market, we still have pullbacks because people are going to do what? They're going to take profit after they're up 30%, 50%, 100%. So at some point, we're going to get a breather, We're going to get some the stock has to take a breather and has to pull back, and then we go higher. That's a bull run. And here's the beauty of the bull run, is in a bull run, these patterns that people see, this head and shoulders, because that's what people are calling it, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? That's what people are seeing. That's what the shorts are seeing. So of course they're salivating like, oh my God, this is gonna go to zero, because they always love to exaggerate. The reality is, in a bull market, these bearish patterns become, what's the word I'm looking for? They are invalidated, because they don't play out. Why don't they play out? Because we're in a bull run still. We're not. If this was a bear market, then I would be like, you know what? I don't blame shorts for shorting it here because it's a bear market, and a bear market means that bearish patterns are more likely to play out because the selling pressure is on your side. The selling momentum is on your side, but we're not there. We're in a bull run still. What's going to happen is we're going to squeeze a lot of shorts who've been piling in thinking this is going to go down because they think this is a head and shoulders that's going to play out. But the reality is we're in a bull run. Stocks are going to break out to new highs. And these bearish patterns are going to be invalidated. And a lot of money is going to be made on squeezing these shorts that have been piling on. Because I've been noticing a lot of shorts piling on stocks like Amara stock or KSCP. You better believe that shorts are sweating right now. Like they're hoping it tanks tomorrow 1,000%, right? Because they did not want this breakout. They wanted it to go down. Some people were calling for $6. That shows what they know. They don't understand how the market works. They're noobs. They're green. I don't know. These are really stupid shorts. I don't understand what they were thinking. So KSCP, I'm telling you right now, look at this. We're going to go to 7. We break 7. We go to 820 and then 10. And this thing has the potential, if you zoom out on the weekly time frame, it is it is capable of not only breaking 10 but going back to 25. And I've been seeing a lot of AI stocks, quantum stocks. Rigetti, I just showed you this one. Rigetti here, it's at previous highs at 21. If this can break 21, guess what? It's going to go to 25. And we're going to see a lot of these AI, robotic stocks, quantum stocks surge to these price levels, because that's what's hot. That's the sector that's going to stay hot, because we're going to replace humans with machine. So I'm telling you right now, this is a buy. Please buy before it starts going to 7, because once it gets up, this is a buy under 7, but once this goes into 7 plus, it'll quickly go to 10. And that's, I mean, you're just going to be paying too much of a premium from where it is right now, nice and cheap. I can even measure it for you from, if you were to buy right now to $10, that's a 63%er. Even if you were to sell just at $8, that's 33%. So once this breakout happens and with the shorts getting squeezed, it's going to be easy money. I've been accumulating this one, so it's not that I don't have a huge position like I do with Mara stock. Because I knew Mara stock was going to break out. I just knew. It's a bull run, guys. People are so quick. If we have even one red week, people think it's over. Oh, no, it's over. One red week. Oh, no, we're bull run over. Like, the doom and gloom comes back so fast. But when everything's going up, green week after green week after green week, no one's crying. No one's complaining. No one's going, oh, no, it just keeps going up. My portfolio, it just keeps getting greener. Please stop going up. Please stop going up. Like, nobody complains like that. Nobody cries like that when stocks just keep going up. But one red day, oh no, it's the end of the world. It's just funny how that works, that mindset. But if you have enough experience like I do, you know already. You understand that you're smart, and you know that we're in a bull run and we're going to go higher. I don't care if you're green, blue, yellow, left, right, up, down. The market doesn't care either. This is a buy. It's going to go to 8, then 10. And that's without a catalyst. If they drop news, if they drop a catalyst, this can surge pretty quickly back to 20s. Because we've seen it happen before. That's all I have to say with regards to KSCP. I can only continue to pound the table so much. I mean, there's a lot of stocks that I can talk about, but I can only pound the table so much. You know, like, my hand's going to start to hurt from how much I've been pounding the table on this one, how much I was pounding the table on Mara stock. If you missed out on Mara stock, that's fine. You still got opportunity here with the one that hasn't broken out yet, but that's getting ready to. So I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back here a little bit, right? We pull back, touch the trend line, and then boom, we get that big breakout. Because that's essentially what ascending triangle is. It's just slowly climbing higher and higher until eventually sellers just can't push it down any lower. Buyers take control. Boom, big breakout.